Yeah, yes or no? Yeah, 虽然有些是充当的。Okay, so good afternoon. How are you today? 好像怎么样？虽然口中说的是 fine， 可是好像是假装的，很勉强那种感觉。Okay, how are you today? Fine. Thank you. And you? Okay, 是你是 fine， 就是满心欢喜的 fine。如果你觉得很不怎么样，那你该怎么讲？普通 so 过得去吧。那如果说我今天非常惨 ，Oh, today is not my day. You are great. Okay, you can get stamps. You can get stamps, okay? A long sentence. Okay, so one more time. How are you today? Okay, fine. Thank you. And you? I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay, can you count? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you count? Can you count? 1? Oh, okay, great. So let's try. Can you count 1 to 100? Can you count 1 to 100? Yes or no? 1 to 100. 有信心？没信心？ Okay, so are we ready to count? Are we ready to count? Are we ready? Yes. Okay, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60, okay, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 总算到了100 ，OK? So 1 to 100. Can you count? 你已经 count 了 ？Can you count? 啊， 没信心？刚才我已经有 count， 还是没信心吗 ？Can you count? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, you are great. So great. Okay, now let's count. Let's count. Let's count. Let's count. Let's count from. Let's count from 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Okay, now that's okay. This line. Okay. 最长的 Count from 11 to 20. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 11. Okay. So 11 to 20. Is it okay? 他这样 OK 吗？有没有通过 ？Okay, you can get stamps. Okay, now let's count. Let's count. Let's count. Let's count. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1. Okay. 我们重新来咯。Okay, great. Great. Okay, 1 to 5. You can get chocolate. Chocolate. Okay, you're welcome. So, can you count? 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 21 to 26. Can you count? 21 to 26. Teacher say 21 to 26. 他想继续表现，我们要不要给他加油，继续念下去 ？Okay, so 通过。Okay, you can get another kind of space. Okay, 1 to 10. Welcome. Okay, now that's one time. Can you count? 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 30, 31 to 35. Yeah, you got it. Okay, very good. Wonderful. Okay. Eraser. Or chocolate. Many times. Okay, chocolate. Your time. Cheer up. Okay, now, so everyone can count 1 to 100, right? Okay, now let's go to the sentences, okay? Okay, go to the sentences. The first one sentence. Okay. Just listen. First time, just listen, okay? Just listen. No speaking, just listen. No pen, no game. One more time, just listen. No, just listen. Just listen. 耳朵 just listen, okay? No pen, no game.
No pen,
Okay, now.
no game.
No.
No game. No.
Pen.
Pen.
No.
No.
Pen.
Game.
No.
No.
Game.
Pen.
No.
No.
Game.
Pen.
No pen, no game. Go.
No pen, no game.
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 Okay, now this group. No pen, no game. Go.
No pen, no game.
Okay, this group. No pen, no game. Okay, this group.
No pen, no game.
Okay, no pen, no game.
No pen,
觉得好快。So go to second. OK，
我们需要一些
依程不一定照里面的顺序哦。OK， one, just listen, just listen, just listen. One wrong step may bring a great fall. Just listen, okay? One wrong step may bring a great fall. Okay, now one wrong, one wrong step, one wrong step, one wrong step may bring great fall. One wrong step, go. One wrong step may bring a great fall. A great fall. Okay, this group. One wrong step, go. May bring a great fall. Okay, this group. One wrong step, go. May bring a great fall. Okay, this group. One may bring a great fall. Okay, 连起来咯。One wrong step may bring a great fall. Okay, everyone. One
wrong step may bring a great fall.
Okay, now boys stand up please. Boys stand up please. Boys stand up. 如果你是男孩 boys stand up. 有人不承认自己是 boy， 为什么没有当成男孩 ？Okay, now one wrong step may bring a great fall. Go. One wrong step may
bring a great fall.
Okay, one more time.
One
wrong step
may bring a great fall.
好小声哦，我们今天男生比较少，不能输女生。OK, one more time. One wrong step may bring a great fall. Okay, sit down please. Sit down please. Okay, now it's girls' turn. Girls stand up. Girls stand up. OK， 人多势众，当然不能够输给男生。OK， One wrong step may bring a great fall. OK, one more time.
One wrong step may bring a great fall.
OK, sit down please. Now, everyone, one more time.
One wrong step may bring a great fall.
Okay, last time.
One wrong step may bring a great fall.
No pain.
No pain, no gain. 不
No
辛劳不愁苦，
pain.
天下没有白
Yeah,
吃
very
的。
good, smart. Okay. One wrong step
Wrong step may
may
bring
a
a
great fall.
不是主持人，天
listen. Okay, just listen. Experience must be bold. Just listen. Just listen. Experience must be bold. Okay. Experience, go.
Experience.
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 Must.
Ah,
Must.
ah,
Be. Bold. Bold.
oh.
Experience.
Experience.
Must.
Must
Be.
be
Bold.
bold.
Experience.
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 Experience. Experience.
Very good. Experience.
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 Must.
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 Must
Be.
be
Bold.
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 Experience must be bold. Go.
Experience must be bold.
Must be
Must be
bold.
bold.
Experience
Experience
must be bold.
must be bold.
Experience must be bold.
Experience must be bold.
Okay, now, girls,
这个是不讲的。
just wait a minute. Boys, stand up, please. Boys, stand up. Okay. Experience.
Experience.
Experience
Experience
must
must
be
be
bold.
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 Experience.
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 Experience must be bold. Go.
Experience must be bold.
Experience
Experience
must be bold. Go.
must be bold.
Okay. Experience must be bold. Okay, go.
Experience must be
be bold. Okay, sit down, please. Now, girls, this group, stand up. Okay. Experience, go.
Experience.
Must be bold. One more time.
Experience must be bold.
Okay. Must be.
Must
Okay, must
must
be bold.
bold.
Experience must be bold. Go.
Experience must be bold.
Very good. Wonderful. Okay, sit down, please. Now, this group girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four girls. Okay. Experience
Experience
must be bold.
must be bold.
Okay, one more time. Experience must be bold. One more time.
Experience must be bold.
Very good. Great. Okay, you got it. Okay, this group, girls, stand up, please. Okay. Experience
Experience
must be bold.
must be bold.
Experience must be bold. Go.
Experience must be bold.
Experience must be bold. Go.
Experience must be bold.
Must be.
Must be.
Must be.
Must be.
Okay, sit down, please. Okay, everyone, one more time. Experience must be bold. One more time, next time.
Experience must be bold.
Very good.
不仅是不讲字。
No.
Okay.
One row.
One wrong step. May bring way forward.
One row stay.
One wrong step. May bring way forward.
Experience
Experience must be four.
OK，慢慢念没关系，That's OK，OK，OK，我们现在最前面一次一口气 ，OK，No。
Yes, no gas. 呼吸的。One long step may bring a great fall. Here must be four. Experience
Must be oh. Okay. Now we have 3 groups, right? Group 1, Group 2. 好像人比较少一点，可是没关系，我们很强。That's okay. Okay. Group 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now. Tell me, what color? Red, okay. Now, what color? Orange. What color? Blue, very good. What color? Green, okay. What color? Yellow, okay, you're smart, you're wonderful. Okay, now? Okay, now, yellow. OK， 那teacher现在哦，一个句子代表 one color，OK？OK，yellow color 是 no pen, no game, no pen, no game. OK。Green, OK， green 代表什么呢 ？One wrong step. May bring a great fall. Green. 记住哦 ，listen, OK. Now, what color? Red. You're smart. You got it. OK. Red. 要代表什么呢 ？Experience. Must be bold. OK. Now. 对代表咯 ，OK， stand up please, stand up please, OK, stand up please, that's okay, stand up please, stand up please, OK， now 你们会不会玩 paper scissors stone 呢 ？OK， 会不会玩三方的？就是我们学校是不是都2个？我们来玩3对3的 ，OK，Are you ready? Ready? Okay, now. Paper, scissors, stone. 谁赢 ？OK. No. OK. 老师好训哦，竟然不知道。OK. One more time. Paper, scissors, stone. OK. You win. Now choose one color. Red, green, yellow. Yellow, okay. Okay, you got yellow. Okay, you too. Paper, scissors, stone, go. Paper, scissors, stone. Okay, you win. Green or red? Red, okay, 刚完。Green. So, teacher 干嘛讲话 ？Yellow. No pen, no game. Green. One wrong step may bring a great fall. Red. Experience must be bold. OK， 那现在我们要玩一个简单的 game，OK？ 这个 group 就是 group 1，对不对？这个是 group 2、group 3，然后呢 ，teacher 就会说。No pen, no game。那这个 group 的人所有全部都要 stand up，OK？ 那如果他听到了，可是他没有 stand up 怎么办呢？他就不会有 star。OK？OK，group 1, 2, 3。OK？ 如果你听到了，而且 you stand up， OK， 那如果 teacher say no pain no gain， 那个拿到 yellow 的人 stand up， 然后其他组不是他们也 stand up， 怎么办呢？那我们再给那一组正确的人再一颗 star， 送给他的拱手，给他们 ，OK？ You got it? Yes or no? 你知道吗？知道规则了吗 ？OK, that's okay. 不知道 ，that's okay. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. 坐下 ，sit down, please. OK, now just listen. 不知道没关系，等一下就知道。OK, just listen. Just listen. Stand up and speak up. OK, are you ready? Are you ready? 好像没什么信心。Are you ready? Okay, now. Experience must be both. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now whole group. Experience must be both. One more time.
Experience must be both.
Okay, stop please. So you can get 1 star. 但是有一组要 get 要给你们再一个 star, right? Okay. Okay. Now next. No pain, no gain. Okay, wonderful. Got 1. Stop. Okay, sit down, please. No pain, no gain. Okay, 1 stop. Experience must be both. Okay, okay, we get 1 star. 3. Oh, 不要骗老师。Okay. Okay, sit down, please. 1 wrong step. 1 wrong step. 1 wrong step.
One long step.
1 wrong step may bring a great fall. Okay, one more time.
One long step.
Wrong step. Very good. Okay, sit down, please. You got 1 star. 然后再送你一个 star. Okay. That's okay. Now. 记住哦，赶快问旁边的人，你们是什么？ Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. No pain, no gain. Very good, fine. Okay, get 1 star. Ooh. Thank you. Okay. Experience must be both. Must be both. Okay, okay, 1 star. Okay. 1 wrong step may bring a great fall. Go. One wrong step may bring a great fall. Okay. Okay, bring a great fall. Okay, sit down please. 1 star. Okay, now change color. Change color. Change color. Okay， 你们是哪一区啊？赶快问一下，赶快问一下。Are ready? Okay. One wrong step may bring a great fall. Okay, you won. Got 1 star. Ooh. Okay. No pain, no gain.
Okay.
Okay. No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain. 不了。
Okay. 1 star. Experience must be bold. Very good. Smart. Okay. One wrong step may bring a great fall. Okay. Very good. Okay. Last time, okay? Last time. Listen. Okay. No pain, no gain. Very good, smart. Okay. 真的 last time, okay? Last time. Okay. One wrong step may bring a great fall. Okay, 1 star. Okay. Who can give me yellow card? Who can tell me? Who can bring me? 给我 yellow card. 可以拿到这边来给我。Who can bring me yellow card? Please give me yellow card. Okay, thank you. Yellow card. Okay, please give me green card. Green card, thank you. Okay, please give me red card. Okay, thank you. Now, let's count how many stars you get, okay? Let's count. Group 1. Okay. 1, 6. Okay. Group 2. 4 star. Okay. Group 3. 8. 8. Okay. So group 3. Win. Okay, 欢呼一下吧。Group 3. Win. 啊，不怎么高兴。win 的不怎么高兴，那我们是不是把拱手让人？要不要 ？OK。Group 3. Win. Go. Group 3. Win. OK， 那其他两组呢？Don't be sad, OK， 不要伤心，我们很强。等一下哭团回来 ，OK。So both groups go, OK。Now No. One more time. No pen, no game. One more time. Okay. One row. Okay. One row step. Four. Okay. One row step. Great ball. Experience. Experience must be bold. Experience must be bold. Experience must be bold. Okay, now 3 groups. Please stand up, please. Please stand up. Please stand up. Okay, please stand up. Okay, someone, paper, scissors, stone, go. Paper, scissors, stone. Who wins now? Okay, one more time. Paper, scissors, stone. No, okay, one more time. Paper, scissors, stone. Oh, you win. Okay, now. Carrot. Lemon. Hamburger. Tomato. Pineapple. Strawberry. Okay, choose one. Strawberry. Okay. Okay, you two. Sit down, please. You two. Paper, scissors, stone, go. Scissors, stone. Okay, you win. Choose one. Carrot, lemon, hamburger, pineapple, tomato. Lemon, okay. Lemon. Okay, sit down, please. Now, girls. Choose one. Pineapple, tomato, hamburger, carrot. Hamburger, okay, hamburger. Okay. Okay, now. 那我们这一组啊，我们这组就叫 strawberry 哦，是吗？你刚才是选 strawberry 吗 ？No, lemon 对不对 ？Okay, so lemon team， 我们这组叫柠檬队。Lemon team, okay, lemon team。你们不知道你们有什么问题？问他。Okay, strawberry. Strawberry. Okay, listen. Hamburger, hamburger. Okay, now. 那我们现在来玩一个 game, OK？Teacher 呢，刚才不是有学3个 sentences 吗？然后呢，我们是要玩接龙 ，OK？ 如果 teacher say no, 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 no， 然后你就可以接下去 raise your hand 接下去，而且你们那个 team 所有再念一次 ，OK？Now 你就可以 roll the dice， 看得分多少 ，OK？OK， 那你知道规则了吗 ？You got it? OK。Teacher say no, 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 no， 然后你就赶快举手 ，no pen, no game， 然后你们全组的人一起 no pen, no game， 你就可以 roll the dice，OK？Are ready？ 好，在这之前呢，我们要充分表现我们的士气，所以要有对呼。OK，strawberry， strawberry， go go go， 来吧 ，strawberry， strawberry， go go go。 Okay, go. Experience. Okay, go. Okay, you can roll the dice. Go. 你可以在墙上在后面。滚骰子，不是走丢骰子 ，OK？ OK, one more time. Go. Wow, six. Okay, hamburger. Okay, strawberry. Strawberry. Sorry, 第一次认识你们大家 ，OK? Listen. No, no, no. Okay, fast. Okay, roll the dice, roll the dice. 那个可以。Okay, go, go, go. Five, 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 five. Okay. Five. Okay. One, wrong. One. 哎，你们这一组有两个举手，两个一起讲 ，OK？ One. Oh, smart, wonderful, you got it. Okay. Roll dice. Go, go, go. Okay, lemon. That's okay. 人家我们的些还有嘞，我们的些还有水嘞。Okay. Experience. Okay. Roll dice. One. 所以呢，我们不要怎么样笑别人 ，OK？ No. Okay. Teacher, count to. Teacher, listen. Teacher, count to 23. Raise your hand, okay? 等到 teacher 数到23, raise your hand, okay? No. 1, 2. 23, okay? 1, 2, 3. 23, not 3, okay? 你要听哦，听 23， 然后就 raise your hand, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, no, 23. No. No. 好，我们再一次把完成说完。No. Okay, got it. Got it. Roll dice. 3. 好。Experience。提学生是不用分进去的。OK， 刚好是323 OK。Experience。OK。Okay. Okay, you can roll the dice. Go. 5. Okay. 不要告诉我，不要告诉我。Okay. Last time， 最后一次啦。Last time, listen. 最后一次喽。No. Okay. Okay, you roll the dice. Roll the dice. Go, go, go. 5. Okay, sorry. 非常。Okay, now. 我们最后全部 count, OK, count. 看得明白吗 ？5, 1, 6. OK, lemon. 1, 3, 4. OK. 11. Okay, so queen. Strawberry, strawberry. Win, win, win. 那其他两组也不错啦，我们要不要为自己加油一下 ？OK. Hamburger. Lemon, lemon. Go, go, go. 我们下次再得分啦。OK. 最后 let's review 3句。No. One. Okay, very good, smart. 那我们回家的时候 go home and listen to the tape, okay? Okay, okay, see you next time. Okay. 有没有 class leader 啊？有没有班长？班长，我们来做一个下课。Okay, please stand up. Okay, now see you next week. Goodbye. 然后呢 ？Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Okay, see you all next week. Bye bye. Bye. Okay, that's okay. Okay, 谢谢大家。Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you all.
Thank you, teacher.